Hey everybody, today is a travel vlog for Dallas, Texas. Some things to do. Kyle Hodges TV. Hey, what's up family? Just replying to some of your comments. Love you guys. The first place is Rosa's Cafe. If you love Hispanic food, this is the place to go.
What's up, YouTube? Out here at Rosa's Cafe, eating some good Mexican food.
I got enchiladas, burritos, and tacos for $10. The food is excellent, not gonna lie, it was pretty good. It's old style, vintage Hispanic culture, so it's pretty cool. The number 2 destination I recommend is Steak and Shake. They got cheap hamburgers and it's bomb. I got the popular item, it's called the Frisco Milk Cajun fries, and my wife got a bacon cheeseburger with garlic parmesan fries. We also got chocolate covered strawberry milkshakes. The food was pretty good. For $12, it was worth it. Not gonna lie, it filled us up. Last but not least, you can't come to Dallas and not try Whataburger, the Texan burger. That's all I have to say. Look how big the burger is on the left. It's definitely Texas size, and everything's definitely bigger in Texas. It's a good burger and it's cheap. Those are some cool things to go to in Dallas, Texas. Whataburger, Steak and Shake, and Rosa's Cafe. If you like cheap food places to eat in Dallas, Texas, there's some things to go to. I've only lived here for a week, but those are some things you need to check out. All right, like, subscribe to the channel. All right, peace out.